Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan the barcode of an article to find it on the Mango application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option, and then go to the top of the screen and tap on this barcode icon in the upper right corner of the screen. First of all, you need to enable the application to have access to your camera, and then you will be able to scan the barcode. So tap on this button at the top, direct your phone to the barcode to scan it. And here you can see the scanned barcode has already found the product. So check out the pictures and the descriptions and everything else. So basically that's it, how you can scan the article barcode. See you in the next video. Bye bye.